Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Man on guitar. We'll start by identifying the core open chords you'll need, typically 3 or 4 common shapes like G, C, D, and M. Then, we'll establish a foundational strumming pattern, perhaps a simple down-down up-up down, to get your rhythm going. Focus on clean chord changes and a steady hand as you begin this exciting musical journey. Now, let's dive deeper into the verse. The progression often involves 4 chords, repeating for 8 measures. We'll use a consistent down-down up-up down strumming pattern, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. Pay close attention to the timing, aiming for a smooth, even flow. Practice these 8 measures repeatedly until the changes feel natural and effortless in your hands. Moving on to the chorus and bridge, you'll encounter some exciting variations. The chorus might introduce 1 or 2 new chord shapes, adding a fresh feel. For the bridge, we'll often switch to a more energetic strumming pattern, perhaps with a quicker tempo or more emphasis on upstrokes. Remember to adjust your dynamics, playing a little louder in the chorus to create impact. Finally, it's time to put everything together. Practice playing the entire song from the beginning to the end, focusing on smooth transitions between verses, choruses, and bridges. Using a metronome at a comfortable tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, will greatly improve your timing. Listen to the original recording often to capture the song's feel and nuances. Keep practicing, and you'll master it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.